Welcome to India's Wild Side with Pucks and Paws. These are the top 5 national parks in India you must explore. On number 5, we have Tadoba Andhari National Park. Tadoba National Park is one of the oldest and best preserved tiger reserves in the country. Unlike some crowded parks, here you get close tiger encounters. It is located in Maharashtra, Chandrapur district, which is about 150 kilometers from Nagpur. Tadoba Andhari Tiger Reserve spans 625 square kilometers. The current tiger population in Tadoba is estimated to be 115. Tadoba is divided into three main tourism zones: Moharli, Kolara and Kolsa. Beyond bold Bengal tigers of Tadoba, the park is home to a diverse range of wildlife including leopards, sloth bears, gaurs, wild dogs and various species of deers like sambar and spotted deer. Make sure you don't carry your mobile phones during safari because mobile phones are restricted during safari in Tadoba National Park. On number 4, we have Ranthambore National Park. Imagine spotting a tiger lounging inside a 10th century fort or walking near ancient temple ruins, only in Ranthambore. This park was celebrity famous with iconic tigers like Machli, the most photographed tigers in the world. Ranthambore National Park is situated in Rajasthan, Savai Madhopur district. The park spans about 400 square kilometers. The tiger population here is estimated to be around 84. It's not just big cats though, you'll see jackals, hyenas, marsh crocodiles and migratory birds too. Add to that the Royal Rajput architecture. On number 3, we have Kanha National Park. This is the best managed national park in India. Lush meadows, rolling bamboo forests and serene streams. Kanha National Park is situated in the Mandla and Balaghat districts of Madhya Pradesh. The Kanha National Park is spread across the area of 940 square kilometers. In 2025, Kanha National Park in Madhya Pradesh is estimated to have around 129 tigers. Apart from tigers, Kanha is home to Barasingha, the swamp deer, leopards, Indian goats and wild dogs. Coming in at number 2 is Bandhavgarh National Park. With one of the highest tiger densities in the world, if you want to see a tiger in the wild, this is your best shot. Add to that ancient caves, a hilltop fort with epic legends and thick sal forests, and you have got a wildlife experience that feels almost mythical. It is situated in the Umaria district of Madhya Pradesh. Bandhavgarh National Park has a tiger population of 165 tigers, making it one of the parks with the highest tiger density in India. The total area of Bandhavgarh Tiger Reserve is estimated to be 1536 square kilometers. And finally, number 1, the OG, the legend, the first national park of India, Jim Corbett National Park. Jim Corbett National Park was established in 1936 as Haley National Park and later renamed to honor Jim Corbett, a renowned hunter turned conservationist. Corbett is one of the few places in India where tigers can be spotted in grasslands and riverbanks, both in one safari. Jim Corbett National Park is situated in the foothills of the Himalayas in the Nainital district of Uttarakhand. It is spread over 1,318 square kilometers, which makes it one of the largest national parks in India. Corbett National Park is estimated to have around 300 tigers in 2025, the highest number of tigers in any national park in India. It is the only park in India that allows tourists to stay overnight inside the core zone. The best zones here for wildlife viewing, particularly tigers, are Dhikala, Dhela, Bijrani, and Jhirna. Corbett isn't just about tigers, it is also home to elephants, leopards, sloth bears, cheetahs, sambar, barking deer, wild boars, langurs, variety of reptiles, and 600 species of birds, including Great Indian Hornbill. So, which national park tops your bucket list? Or have you already been to one of these? Drop your experience in the comments. I love reading your wild stories. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more wildlife content. Until next time, stay curious, stay wild, and keep exploring.